All right, then take a look at the RIZOM 18-piece 3/8" drive extra long Allen hex bit socket set. Okay, so we got everything organized. We got the metric on the bottom, we got the SAE on the top. Starts at a 3, we got a 3, 4, 4.5, 5, 5.5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Kind of an odd arrangement, but it does seem to work. And then for the SAE, we got 1/8, 5/32, 3/16, 7/32, 1/4, 9/32, 5/16, and 3/8. So there are no skips in this set. This is fantastic. Now, one of the nicest things that I'm seeing is that this is actually necked down on the tip. So this is a full strength bar all the way up to the tip, and that's where it goes down to the 3/8. It is labeled chrome vanadium 3/8, and it is also labeled 3/8 on the socket. We've got a very nice hex-shaped head, and it is also tapered down there on the tip to make sure that we can insert that into bolts easily. And here's the metric number 4. And again, I just love seeing that this is all a nice thick shaft, so you don't have to worry about this thing twisting as much, and it's going to stay that way all the way down to the tip. That is fantastic. And it does look like they're all about the same length, so we're looking at about 5 inches for the hex and 6 inches for the total length. And I do like that these are all the flat end, they are not the ball end, so that means that you're going to be able to get a lot more surface area, so you're going to be a lot less prone to rounding out bolts. But you do have to make sure you got enough space to where you can enter straight on. I personally will take that extra surface area and not rounding off bolts any day over a ball end. And lock it down. So yeah, sockets like this are awesome. Just the fact that I can get my hands further away from whatever I'm working on, especially for something where I need to get deeper inside of an area, but the extension as well as a socket out here wouldn't fit. This is going to be the only tool that's really going to do that job and do it well. So these things are great.